Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another multi-pen, and this is the Bic 4-color multi-pen plus stylus. So let's see. World-renowned thing. Stylus is for capacitive touchscreen devices, including tablets and smartphones. Alright, so you get one of those little nubs. Let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Now, as you've probably seen in the past, or you know from personal experience, the Bic 4-in-1s, it's kind of like it's the original multi-pen, like the one that people identify with as a multi-pen, but a nub. But it also kind of is just sort of mediocre. So, Bic 4-color with stylus. Did I spell stylus right? I did. So Bic 4-color with stylus. So the main thing I think that sets this one apart is the nib. And I guess as nubs on pens go, I probably hate this one the least, because this area before with the normal Bic 4-color doesn't really do anything, and the nub doesn't interfere with any other functioning of the pen. Bic 4-color with stylus. And then black ink, Bic 4-color with stylus. It's got an interesting color scheme. It kind of looks like, what was the name of that G.I. Joe? There was a G.I. Joe that had this color scheme, I think. It was like the laser sniper guy. That's a weird thing to associate with the color scheme, but I do. Pretty much the usual. I gotta say, these pens are also kind of just disposable in my opinion. So, refilling really isn't an issue. This is okay, I guess. I mean, it wasn't super expensive. I'll include a link in the description where you can find it on Amazon. And you can probably find this at like Office Max or Walmart, that kind of thing too. It's an interesting option, and like the nub doesn't interfere with anything else. Which, to give the nub credit, I mean, it's kind of what you want. Not bad, I guess. The main issue that I have with all these Bic 4-color pens is I've written with a lot better multi-pens than this. And that's just a kind of a failing of the refill. And so that kind of taints all of my opinions about this. That being said, though, I also have a soft spot in my heart for the Bic 4-color pens, because I feel like they were the thing that they were like the first multi-pen people saw, because for a while when they came out they were everywhere. And so I don't know. What do y'all think? Do you like the little idea of the nub or not? Let me know in the comments. And also, if you have any questions or suggestions, you can let me know down there. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.